Logan are off to the beach for the morning. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I didn't want to stay inside, and also I've got to start work at like 1 today because I've got to work through to the evening on Ruby Wedding's website rebrand and stuff. We've sorted our logo, so now we just need to do a website. And yeah, so I can't start that until 1 o'clock when her kind of readership's down, and we're not going to disrupt her website too much, even though we're going to put a maintenance page on it. But yeah, we don't want people kind of not being able to see it at the high period. So I'm going to start that this afternoon. So this morning, to make the most of the sunshine, because I love the sunshine. Every time the sun comes out, I'm like, well, I've got to get out, got to make the most of it. This is actually my favourite time of year, when it's sunny but not too hot. I do love the sunshine, but in the summer it's just way too hot for me. And yeah, so we're going to head off down to Sandy Bay, which is down near Weston-super-Mare. It's probably about 45 minutes away, I guess, maybe a bit more. I'm not really sure I'm going because Brad normally drives, but I'll put the sat nav on in a minute when I finish talking to you. And yeah, so we're going to head down there for lovely walkies together along the beach, and then we can come back and do some work and make the most of it. It's just like summer! What are you doing, Logan? You can't be in the front. That's not your window.
Here at BBC Radio 1 and 1 Extra, we're all about the latest.
Bah! Logan, sit down. I can see you. I can see you. Sit down. You're not supposed to be up there, are you? No.
I've literally just turned up and it has just started to rain, and even though it's blue sky, I think I'm about to get soaked. Oh, well, this is a good idea. It's not supposed to rain today. It's clearly just a passing shower because its cloud is still up there waiting to get me when I get back to the car. But in the most part, it's pretty cool. Never been down here before. Logan likes it. Logan likes it, don't you? Hey, come. Good boy. Walking through the dunes. I'm going to try and not trip over today. Day before yesterday I went for a walk with Logan just down the local park. Walking down the steepest hill ever, my ankle gave way and I fell head first down the hill and nearly cracked open my knee. My ankle has just gone again a little bit, trying to untangle Logan from a tree. So fun times dog walking. There's the sea! Oh, it's so beautiful! Oh. Doesn't look like we can get through down there. I could jump over a bit of driftwood.
The beach! Look at it! The tide
Very far out, so we won't be going swimming. I've got to get Logan's string over this. Come! Logan, come! Come! Logan, come! Logan, come! No, you're going to get stuck round there, you stupid. I'm going to go flying. Come on this way. No, you're going to get tied up even more, Logan. Say hello to the camera. Hello. Hello, bear. Wait. Good boy. Come on then. Come on then. Good boy. What's this? Have I got treats in my pocket? Where have I got treats in my pocket? Where have I got treats in my pocket? Yes, I do. If I can find them. Where are they? Good boy. Off you go then. It's so beautiful. Logan's about to take me flying. Logan, wait. Good boy. He's a good boy. He's a nice beach, huh? Yes. Blue sunshine. Rain. Blue sunshine. Rain. We're walking into the rain, Logan. He's now back on his leash. He's naughty.
With Sergio, we are playing.
So I'm back home and I'm just having a quick fresh air, as we used to call it. Very bright out here. Sun is shining. And yeah, I am about to go and start on my work for the day, which should take me into the evening on Ruby Wedding's website. I'm making some changes and update and everything, so it should be nice and pretty tomorrow, and by the time you see this. Well, I haven't actually been able to show you anything of the work that I've been doing so far because I had some problems in the beginning and then I've film, and I've kind of finished now, so I can just show you the end result, but you don't need to see the beginning anyway, it's much better now. This is a little sneak peek. We're going for a walk. Yes, we are. We're going for a walk. What's that? Seagulls. Ooh, go for a walk. Go for a walk. Just got back from a dog walk and I'm just finishing up in the office. Nesh comes for a cuddle on my lap and he never comes and sits on my lap. So it's a kitty, so cute. Anyway, most of my day has been consumed by dog walks, so I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to continue finishing this website final changes and then I'm going to go and eat some pork. Brad's cooking. Say bye bye. Oh, Nash wants to come say bye bye. Oh, bye bye. Bye bye. It's all finished. Shiny new slider images that match the new branding. Awesome photos put together by Ruby and Shannon. Shannon SLR Photography did the photos, and Shannon did all, and Georgina from Ruby Wedding did all the styling. But now it shows off her awesome work. Like, check out these other photo shoots. Fairy tale movement. Photos and the styling is amazing. Look at that glittery pumpkin, glittery champagne bottles. Oh, look, absolutely beautiful. So cool. Princess and the Pea. Look, they've done all sorts of different fairy tales. There's the Snow White one. Crown and Glory bow. Oh yeah, so beautiful. This one's my favourite. Rapunzel. Anyway, enough of that. If you want to see more, you can go to Ruby Wedding Design and check her out. Look at this, is her bright red hair. Woohoo!